Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Okoyeocha. I want to bring you, as I do every week, every weekend, the advanced method of Elliott Wave and analysis. So, before I proceed to the business of the day, I want to remind you again to be conscious of those who will come to under my comment section to try to trick you to where they will scam you. They always say they have been losing money until they come in contact with WXY or Mr. ABC or Mrs. QRS. Since then, they have made 20 Bitcoin from 1 Bitcoin. All those trash. I'm just reminding you, trading is not easy. Those who can trade, don't look for those who they will trade for. Some people will come and say, invest in Bitcoin. That is trash. Don't give them your money because they will scam you. Bitcoin, you either know how to trade or you know how to buy when it is low and they have patience and sell when it is high. Then there's nothing like investment in Bitcoin. And there's no way somebody can make you a 0.1 Bitcoin to be 2 Bitcoin or 3 Bitcoin or 5 Bitcoin within 1 week, 1 month, or even 1 year. For you to trade and make money, you learn it. So if somebody tries to come under my comment section and say that they have losing money, now they're making money through so and so, they are trying to trick you, and if you fall to the trick, they take your money. Okay, now having said this, if this is the first time you are watching my video, please like, share, and comment. The only thing you can do for me is to comment and share. By doing that, you are helping me a little. These things I do, people make money from what I do, but why not reciprocate by liking, sharing, and commenting so that more people will get it. By sharing it, you might be helping somebody. Okay, so let me go to the business of the day. Last week was so fantastic. Our trades almost at least more than 8% made profit. Okay, now DSY, I'm showing you this wiki chart again because it's been long. I show you wiki chart, and this is clear. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is typical of wave 3. So whatever happened here, don't mind the shape. It's wave 4. So in my opinion, Bitcoin will still give us a new high. Okay, so let's check daily. So you can see this is either WXY or ABC, whichever way you want to check it. But it is the correction which has ended when it broke this channel and the close above. Once it closed above this very one. Anyway, the buying have started. No need of wait for more correction. So now, see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're looking for an ABC. Now the question is, we have had a correction, a kind of A, B, C. Now the question is this the only, has it ended there, or will it give us another correction? That is X, another A, B, C. So in my opinion, we will likely have this bigger correction. Okay, so let's see 1 hour charts. So this one here is just an A, B, C. Okay, so this is 3 waves, which is W and X. So I'm looking for either another 3 waves or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whichever one we have, I'm looking for the price to drop to this level before I buy. This zone, 103.6, 103.9. That's where I would look for buy on DXY. Then secondly, if they don't drop, once the price closes above above this zone, maybe 105, 105.1, I look for buy. So that's all for DXY. let me go to USD. USD. What do we have? The same scenario. The same scenario. The weekly, let me show you again. This is typical of Wave 3. There's no doubt whether this is Wave 3 or not. Then, though this is sharp, but sometimes Wave 4 can be sharp. Okay? So I'm looking for price to give me a new low. Even if it will give me a new low, it will at least give me a sort of 60% of all this move. At least the selling will continue till we come down to 1.008 or thereabout. So let's check daily. So daily WXYXZ is still a corrective structure. So now the selling has confirmed. Now, how do you join the sellers? Just like what I showed, on DXY, we have got an ABC. Now I'm looking for double correction. Which means I'm looking to sell from 1.07 to 1.077. This is where I'm looking for sell. Okay, that's for Euro USD. USD card, we have a similar situation. Is buying. So, but what I don't know now is whether it will give us a bigger correction, like A, B, C, something like this. But the way I'm looking at it, this will likely not happen. Okay, because of the bounce off at this level. So now we can get a price like this, bounce off here, then buy. Then if it begin to buy above here, then watch out for the break of this zone. Then look for buy. USD CHF and the USD card is a buy setup. Remember, for many weeks now, I told that this is an expanding flat, WXY, which has completed. Going down to 4 hours, the buying have started already. Now, the question is, if you didn't join us from here, join us when it broke this zone. Now, you have a chance to join us at this ABC. Now, what I don't know is whether it will make an expanding flat or a running flat. Now, it seems it hasn't gotten to an expanding flat. So now, if it breaks this level and go lower, it becomes a running flat. So let's wait to see what will happen. Maybe to give us a running flat before it begins to go up again. So now, pounds USD is also going down. Now it's correcting. I mean, it's making sideways, which made it difficult to know where it is going right now. So we need to watch for the price to break out of this zone. If you're watching it on daily, you will see that there are so many, the price is clustering. The price is clustering on making sideways. Let me use the language of FOREX. It's making sideways. In this sideways, until it broke out of this zone before either it break down to sell. I believe it will sell because when USD begin to sell, it will sell. So now what I'm looking for is within this very zone, it will likely come up to this level. Then either this level and then sell and break this zone before going up again. So you watch it with utmost care. AUD USD, let's just see daily chart. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. So the price is going up. what we're looking for is when to join. Now, there's two possibilities here. One is that we may get an ABC and drop further before it will now buy. Okay, or it will just begin to buy from here and continue going up. Taking 1 hour, I have not seen a sharp move to convince me that it is buying. That's why I said it will likely drop again before it will buy. Then New Zealand USD has given me an assurance. You can see a sharp move. This type of move is quite guaranteed that we are now going up, up, up. So you can see 1, 2, 3, maybe ABC, 4, and 5. So I have seen a reason to say that New Zealand USD is buying. But AUD USD, I haven't seen this type of sharp move on AUD USD. But you know they go together. Maybe this one is trying to lead and the other one is lagging, which means it will be following this one gradually. Okay, so now the question is, are we going to get this drop before buy, or will it break this and give us a buy? I don't know. We keep watching the market, because I don't control the market. I don't think the market what it will do. We just keep watching. Whichever way, we keep following it. JP225 is a confirmed buy. Is now buying. I targeted this low. It come to this low. It's still going up. Once it breaks this zone, we forget about it coming down again. And meanwhile, the way I'm looking at it, it's not going to come down again, because if I made 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the fourth wave. The eternal wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the WXY. And the market have broken above with X. So now we are going to, it is buying and buying. So if you haven't joined the buyers, maybe you watch out for proper correction for wave 4, then you buy wave 5. After that, you get a bigger correction before we buy again. You know JPY. JPY, I think I'm going to show you weekly and daily. This is a monthly chart. This is a possibility that we get this down to 104, 103, 110, but you know it's a monthly chart, so we don't care about it much. It's just a guide. Weekly charts, we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So at least we're looking for an ABC. So to me, this is still an ABC, which is the first wave. Maybe we likely get another drop. So let's check daily. So strongly, I'm looking for this drop. I'm looking for the price to drop to 135, 136, even 134, even 132. So for now, I'm not looking for buy on JPY. I'm only looking for sell. So what am I trying to do? Once the price breaks this zone, this 143.8, I look for sell setup. Don't be in a haste to sell it, because I say I'm looking the price to go down. There's always a place to confirm before you buy or sell. Pounds USD. Sorry, USD yen. I'm looking for the price is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It hasn't completed the 50 move. Now, are we going to get? Let me go to 1 hour. Are we going to get a short correction? I mean, a brief correction. If this correction doesn't get to this level, I regard it as a brief correction. It means this is the whole correction. Okay. So, but I doubt it will end like this. This is W to me. This is X, expanding flat. Then the Y may end somewhere here, or it come down to this level. I don't know. But before, I would like to get a proper bicep top, maybe around here at least, around below this zone anyway. Even if it didn't come to this place, it will break this zone before I look for better top. Okay, that's pounds, dollar yen, pounds yen.